If you're passionate about PCs, then you've got a lot in common with Xidax. Founded by PC building enthusiasts in 2013, Xidax has made a name for themselves with their hand-built one builder to a PC approach. For example, this Xidax X2 was built from start to finish by one person. One singular PC professional in Salt Lake City, Utah. Let's say their name is Blorb. Blorb installed the powerful and efficient Intel Core i5-13400F processor with a native turbo boost speed of 4.6 GHz on its 6 performance cores because Blorb knows that it's the perfect CPU for gamers and creators alike. That same builder, Blorb, also installed the 40 series GPU. Blorb also installed the 32 gigs DDR5 RAM, a 1TB SSD, the CPU cooler, the PSU, the case fans, all into the incredible Xidax Zen PC case. And when Blorb was done, Blorb made sure the Xidax X2 booted properly. Only then did Blorb the builder hand their work over to be certified by a master quality assurance technician, let's call them Grod, who subjected the PC to a brutal 24-hour burn-in and makes sure it's thoroughly benchmarked all before it ever sees the light of day. So if you're looking for the best in custom-built gaming PCs, think Intel and thank Grod you can shop with Xidax confidence.